As we continue our Healthcare in America coverage, we bring you the story of a Maryland wife and mother of 2 teenagers hit with frightening news. At the age of just 49, she was diagnosed with dementia.
Yes, but then came another devastating blow. Her health insurance company suddenly canceled her coverage.
As Maureen Bunyan explains, Nancy Halwick was left with no insurance, a growing stack of medical bills, and a memory that was starting to fade.
That's a good picture of you.
In the days ahead, Nancy Halwick's husband and 2 daughters will likely become strangers to her.
Nancy's going to forget who I am and who Kayla and Kelsey are.
The diagnosis came a year ago from doctors at Johns Hopkins, early onset advanced dementia.
Who's that?
3 months later, the Halwick's insurance company, Golden Rule, sent them this letter canceling Nancy's coverage. And her $15,000 hospital bill?
That's on us. We have to pay it. I just can't believe they did it. I mean, we paid our premiums every month, and then you go to use your insurance, and then it's not there. You can't use it.
Golden Rule says the Halwicks had been with them for about 7 months when those hospital claims started coming in. The insurer dug into Nancy's prior medical records and rescinded her coverage because she failed to mention in her application 3 visits to a doctor in the past 2 years and an MRI in 2011 that came back clean. And now, with a pre-existing condition of dementia, the Halwicks say Nancy can't get anyone else to cover her.
Nancy's, needs to go to the hospital quite a bit, so it's, it just hurt the family a lot.
That can no longer happen in any part of the country starting January 1.
On January 1st, just a few months from now, health insurance coverage begins under the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare.
An insurance company can't deny coverage due to a pre-existing condition. They can't drop you from coverage just because you get sick. They can't charge a discriminatory high premium based on your health status. And they no longer can charge women higher premiums.
And families like the Halwicks will be protected.
Wow. That was...
Now, we spoke to representatives of Golden Rule Insurance. They maintain Nancy Halwick's application was missing medical history that should have been reported. After dropping her, they refunded the premium payments for Nancy's coverage. Leon, Autria.